In a quiet corner, a thoughtful theologian, Father Michael Humaisis, pondered the age-old question that had intrigued many. The Bible speaks of one God, yet reveals him as three, the Sohn, and the Holy Spirit. How could this be? Father Michael found solace in the paradox, drawing parallels to a three-dimensional being passing through a two-dimensional world. Father Michael stood before a group of eager students, illustrating his thoughts.
Imagine a two-dimensional plane.
He began, sketching a flat square.
Now a sphere passes through. To a being in that plane, it appears as a series of circles, distinct yet one.
His eyes gleamed with the excitement of revelation.
This is how we perceive God. Three aspects but one essence.
Father Michael delved into the Hebrew scriptures, uncovering divine narratives that transcended human comprehension. He marveled at the Spirit of God in Genesis, the essence hovering over creation.
Here,
he pointed out,
is God's energy, distinct yet unified.
His fingers traced the words, feeling the weight of history in his hands. He recounted Daniel's vision of the Son of Man, a figure both human and divine, exalted to God's throne.
This is the ultimate plan,
Father Michael explained.
The unity of God and humanity, reigning as one.
His voice carried the awe of witnessing a mystery unfold. Father Michael shared how Jesus, the Son of Man, embodied God's wisdom and glory.
His actions mirrored Yahweh's authority,
he declared.
He forgave sins, calmed storms, revealing his divine identity as God with us.
The crowd listened, captivated by the divine narrative woven through time. Father Michael invited his audience to embrace the mystery, to connect deeply with the Triune God.
Understanding the Trinity,
he concluded,
is less about solving a mystery and more about knowing God intimately.
The garden, like the universe, pulsed with the eternal community of love sustaining all.
Thank you for staying with us and exploring these incredible biblical stories and their teachings. If you felt the power of this message, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly inspiration. Like to support our work and share this video with those you love. Together, let's spread faith and love around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Sign up.